Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove my AI on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove my AI on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app, and from over here guys, at the bottom left corner of your screen you can see a bunch of icons at the bottom of your screen. But starting from the bottom left, there is the map and the messages or the text icon. Will be required to tap on the second one, which is the message or the text icon, and here you will be able to find my AI. Now in order to proceed, you need to know a thing, that is, will not be able to directly delete the my AI on Snapchat since it's a feature of Snapchat, but we will be able to remove my AI from the chat list or chat feed by just tapping and holding on the chat, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to tap on chat and notification settings, and you can see the clear from chat feed option available for us. Tap on that and tap on clear, and you can see guys, the my AI on Snapchat has been removed or hidden somewhere, but it's not deleted, it's still available on Snapchat. And with that being said guys, this is how to remove my AI on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.